Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, yeah, I didn't plan a cook for this week, mainly because I was so busy. I didn't get to plan a little special cook like I tried to do for you, but you know what, this is, as I tape this is Tuesday night. This is kind of almost the middle of the week, and I hope I can get it edited. But I happen to have some boneless chicken thighs in here. I'm going to get seasoned up and throw them on the grill, just make some sandwiches, and which is kind of what I already had planned for tonight anyway. So guys, if you will, come on along. All right guys, you can see they're pretty good size for chicken thighs. Left some of the fat on. I trimmed a little bit off, but let's face it, the fat is what makes the thighs taste wonderful. Up until just a few minutes ago, I hadn't even decided on what seasoning I'm going to use. Decided to go with some of this St. Elmo's steakhouse seasoning. It's good on chicken, I already know, but we're kind of rushing it a little bit tonight. So that's all we're going to do to these. Got some Prime 6 charcoal heating up over here. Guys, I believe that KEN10 promo code still works on the Prime 6. These a turn. That'll get you 10% off. Alright, as soon as that charcoal's up to temp, we're going on the heat. Shouldn't be a very long cook at all, guys. Alright, I'm losing a little daylight. I'm going to rush this a little bit. It's almost all the way. Got a few dark spots, but I think we're good enough to cook this. If you have not noticed, I am using the 18-inch Weber Jumbo Joe. Haven't used it in a while, probably since the last time I was camping or at the lake or someplace. I'm mainly doing this because my 22-inch is dirty and I have not cleaned it up from the last cook. Get our grates cleaned up here. I'm going to turn this around. Get her heated up. You know what, it's been a while since I've used these grates. I'm going to hit these with a little oil. This side over here is okay. Because I can. It's a little mesquite wood. I want to get a little bit of smoke on this chicken. Shouldn't take that long, guys. Let's get these on. There we go. Perfect. I'll turn these here in a couple minutes. Just want to check these guys. It's been on a few minutes and that's a pretty hot fire. Turn that one for sure. Give this guy, I might turn that back over here in a minute, but this guy needs to be turned. And not as hot over here on the edges. That's alright, we'll move them around. I'm going to take these, we're only about 6 or 7 minutes in here. I'm going to take these ones in the middle. I'm going to pull them on the outside. See what we're looking like here. And I'm just going to move these ones on the outside in. Try to get some more even cooking. Shouldn't be much longer. I'll probably turn these one more time and we'll be done. Turn this and check some temps. I bet we're almost there. Smells amazing. These are chicken thighs, so I want them to be upwards of 175 if I can get this on. Over here in the thicker part. We got a little bit to go. 155 there. Yeah, we're gonna let these go a little bit longer. 140. We're not too far off. It ain't got too much time. That one there is almost done. All right, guys, a little bit longer. All right, I think we are there. We're definitely there on that one. Just to check, 179. We're there. Definitely, guys. Let's get this off of here. Go make a sandwich. these guys off of here. Alright guys, this is just a Hawaiian bun we had on hand here. Love the flavor from a Hawaiian bun. Good little bits. Let me show you what I got here. This is just some Hellmann's. This is a classic burger sauce. I haven't tried it on chicken, but I believe it's going to be good. Here on both sides of the bun here. I'm honestly just kind of making this up as I go. Check out this beautiful chicken thigh we're going on here with. Yeah. Again, we're not doing a whole lot here. I'm going to do some lettuce. This is just some romaine here we had on hand. Slice of tomato right on top there. That's all we're doing, guys, right there. We cheated a little bit on our side. This is just some, I believe it's Betty Crocker. Some Parmesan cheese, well, I made a mess there. Pasta salad I made last night. But I did add a small can of black olives to it, which, tell you what, if you ever do that, add the black olives. This is what I'm talking about right there. Not bad for a Tuesday night quick meal. Alright, we did all the damage we could do. Kind of a rushed video, but I bet it's gonna be tasty anyway. Alright guys. That's a good chicken sandwich, guys. Got some boneless chicken thighs on ham. That mesquite kind of jumps out there on that Hellmann's sauce. It's burger sauce, but I tell you what, use it on the chicken. I promise. Delicious. Yeah, I went with, everything's been so rushed for me this week, I didn't even have time to clean up my 22-inch Weber kettle. So I hadn't used that Jumbo Joe in a while. It's just a smaller version of the same thing. It's an 18-inch. Great grill. I use it a lot for camping, outdoor stuff when I'm out and away. So we used it tonight. Small cook, small grill. It works, and tell you what, it's good. Prime 6 charcoal did well. That mesquite wood kind of set a little hint of wood smoke on that. Not overwhelming, but it was just right. So guys, as always, thank you, and hopefully I can get this edited by my normal Saturday morning post. So anyway guys, until next time, God bless you. We'll see you on the next cook. God bless, folks. Bye-bye.